Have the turkey neck chop. Where you use your fingertip to and turkey neck place in the pot, guys.
Our pie.
Pepper, guys. So stay.
Smell the pot, it a bubble nice. Few peas in my with the coconut spice. Rice so fluffy.
Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. And in today's video we'll be doing the Jamaican stew piece. We have our chicken foot, which we're gonna go ahead and clean. As I already showed you guys in an earlier video, which you could go back and see. Now we have the smoked turkey neck. So I'm gonna go ahead and have these chicken foot clean, guys. I'm using the short knife today, guys. Yeah, that's how I do it, guys. Running through that. And today we be having the coconut milk in the stew peas, guys. We could do so much with this coconut milk while using it the right way, not the wrong way. And it's a special meal, guys, that they normally cook on a Saturday and Wednesday. And we'll be doing that with the pizza for the kids. And then we have the coconut rice on the side. Alright guys, stay tuned while I have it washed. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some vinegar to have my smoked turkey neck and chicken foot washed. You know what time is it? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have the turkey neck chopped. And you want to get them that size, guys, perfectly cut. And go ahead with the second one. Alright. Bite. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. I'm gonna use like a tablespoon, so that should be good guys. I'm just having the peas washed, guys. Alright guys, I'm adding my peas to the pot. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have my chicken foot and turkey neck placed in the pot, guys. Add 5 pegs of garlic, guys. I'm gonna have it covered and let it cook. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna get in 2 pounds of rice. I'm gonna get in a little salt. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have my coconut milk. Pour it in the pot. So I'm gonna let that cook. Add my scallion, which I already washed. Alright guys, I'm gonna add my garlic. Alright guys, and here we go with the pizza for the kids. And we are adding the yeast. And guys, if you haven't seen the pizza menu or the pizza making, you could check the video in the I'll leave a link for the video, guys, of how to make the pizza with the dough. Alright guys, you have to make sure you use your fingertip to get that mixture smooth out. And you want to take your time and add a little bit of flour, little by little. You don't want to just dump it down there, guys. Little by little. Looking lovely, guys. You see the process? It's not for the fittest, guys. It's who can endure it. Alright guys, that's the process of the peas and the chicken foot. So we having it boiling right now, guys. So stay tuned while I check back in with the pizza. Yeah, guys, you can see the dough. They're going in good, guys. Guys, it's a flowery process. Telling you guys. But when it's finished, it's gonna be great. Yeah, guys. Checking in on the coconut milk, guys. It started to boil a little bit, so it just started. Alright, guys, that's how you want to get the dough, guys. As you see, it's similar to bread making. So you see, guys, it's looking lovely. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, and over here we have the vegetable for the stew peas, which I'll soon go ahead and have it cut up. Yes, guys, this is where the magic gonna happen. On a floured surface with the dough sitting on the top. That's where it all happens. As you can see, guys, it's about to be rolled and we have the everything ready. So stay tuned, guys. So what we're gonna do now?
We're gonna roll this out into our pie.
Oh, so you have to keep the rolling pin floured.
Yeah, stop it from sticking to the dough.
Alright, guys, you hear that? The flour stop the dough from sticking. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I already add my rice, so I'm gonna give it a little stir. See, guys, you're gonna mix it up good. So with the amount of water, that should be good, guys. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. And this is the time I add the chicken, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a stir. Being that I just add the chicken. And you want to get it to the bottom, guys. Alright, so catch you when I'm adding the season, guys. That's for the greasing, guys. The greasing of the pizza pan. And that's melted butter. Alright, guys, we getting the edges for the pizza all rolled in to the pan. And make sure, guys, if you're making pizza or doing pizza making or dough making, make sure your dough is like this in the pizza pan. And this is only for pizza, not for bread making. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, already have my mix seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. And guys, I did add rosemary to my mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and have it stirred. As you can see, the color is coming in, guys, because you want to add the more peas, it's better. So it could get the color from the peas. And then the peas will color the meat and everything else and give it that richness. As you can see, guys, the rosemary is in it. So I'm gonna get my natural season all cooked up, guys, and have it cooked down. Alright, guys, here's my coconut milk for the stewed peas. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Yes, guys, already have my coconut milk added. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my natural season now, guys. I'm cutting 2 carrots at a time, guys. You could cut them one at a time. And here I'm cutting my onion, guys. Then I go ahead and I chop. See, guys. And now I have my scallion, guys. And I have the red pepper, guys. So stay tuned while I have them washed up. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook. And guys, if you don't know a menu or a recipe, anytime you see my channel, you grab a book and a pen. So you guys could take notes. And if you like the menu, you could copy it, you could mix it, and you could post it on YouTube if you guys love it. You don't have to make it the way I make it. You could take the menu and recreate it. And follow me each day for recipes, daily recipes, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, here I am with my natural season all cut up. So I'm gonna go ahead and have it mixed in my stew peas. That's how I like to have my natural season placed in my stew peas, guys. Fully seasoned. And guys, remember, it's stew peas, and I have 3 different kind of meat: turkey neck, which is smoked, the chicken foot, and the chicken. I'm gonna mix it in, guys. Oh, I like the color. The color is so vibrant, and the yellow bring that contrast in it. Guys, I want to tell you, this is gonna be one lovely stew piece. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. If you're enjoying the video, like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, now we have our pizza all placed in the pan, so we're gonna get it in the oven. So stay tuned, guys, and remember guys, it's $4.15 for the pizza. You could use it at $3.75. Alright guys, as you can see, the stew peas, which we have the chicken, it's not boiled out. And then we have the turkey neck. And now we have the chicken foot, guys. As you see, we did go ahead and add the pepper. The pepper. You can't have the stew peas without the pepper, remember? That's a pro tip. Pro tip, you can't have the stew peas without the hot pepper. So stay tuned, guys, while I have it all plated. That's the stew peas. As you see, the pepper right on top. Alright guys, that's the finished product of the pizza, guys. And that's a lovely cheese pizza. Alright guys, that's the finished product of the stew peas. Right there, guys. Rich with that coconut milk, pimento. And remember guys, the carrot and the hot pepper. And I did go ahead and make some coconut rice, as you guys seen on the video, guys. That's the finished product. And that's the pizza, which we're gonna have it cut right there. And then we already have the rice plated. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the stew peas, guys. Go ahead and add the stew peas. And you want to get that sauce in there, guys, because that's the reason why it's called stew peas. See, guys? And then the key thing in the stew peas, as I continue telling you guys, is that pepper. So stay tuned while I add the pizza. Alright guys, now we have the pizza. You want to go ahead with the pizza cutter, and that's the cheesiness you want to get, guys. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the finished product, and that's the Jamaican stew peas with coconut rice and a side of cheesy pizza. So we're gonna do a taste test, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and taste the turkey neck, and we'll let you guys know how it tastes. You see that, guys? Easily come off the bone with a splash of coconut rice.
Look at this, guys.
You see that, guys? Really soft. Yes, guys. So I'm telling you guys, try this menu. You won't miss. So like, share, and comment, guys, and subscribe. And do stay tuned for more authentic Jamaican meal with a twist. Alright guys? See that, guys? Juicy. So stay tuned. Peace out.
World renowned. Oh, food for the soul, we now go hide it. Pass the plate, make we all unite. One love, one bite, pure delight. Every taste, every spice feels so right. Sunday dinner, granny set the tone. Big pot of stew peas, vibes full grown. Call the